welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 1st to the 5th of June 2026 on Monday. Mamkwanyana's confession threatened to expose her dark secret as Viso fails search for Zethu leaves him broken and questioning his faith. Meanwhile, Mphamanda's quest to find his father shatters his relationship with Phindile, and Shobane's plan to change the clinic supplier makes him a target on Tuesday. After speaking to Zethu on the phone, Sifiso starts seeing Mamkwanyane in a very different light. Zenzo is disturbed by what he sees on Mphamanda's lower back, and Shobane gets a lesson in the village business on Wednesday. Sifiso confronts Mamkwanyane about his suspicions and is left even more shaken when a birthmark raises questions that Ngaraje can't ignore. He goes about getting some answers while Shobane ignores his mother's warning and realizes just how vengeful Shwabi can be on Thursday. Trouble brews in Okambeni. Shobane's reforms have backfired and the community turns on him. Ngaraje can't shake the feeling that Mphamanda is his son. The birthmark says it all. Sifiso pleads with Zethu to come home and face the truth under his roof on Friday. Mamkwanyana's confession shakes Sifiso to the core. Phindile draws a hard line when Ngaraje demands the truth, forcing him to take matters into his own hands. Shobane brings Zethu home, then gets a lesson in the village politics. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.